everyone, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel if you're new. In today's video, we're going to learn how to make a beautiful yet easy card. Let's begin. First, take the color paper. Here I've chosen yellow color, but you can choose any of your favorite colors. Now fold it in half, something like this, and now sketch on a shape on the cover of the color paper. I'm sketching a flower. You can sketch any shape you want. Cut it. Now using a decorative pen, you can trace the flower. Here I've used a brush pen and trace the flower completely with dark green color. Now take half cut beads for decoration. All you need to do is take a half cut bead, apply some glue on the back of it and stick it on the desired place. Now I'm making the petals of the flower using a brush pen. I'm going to make 2 more of these. While sticking the flowers, I left some space down to do this calligraphy. I'm writing open, but you can write anything you want. This is how it looks so far. Now you can write anything inside it. I've written a small note for my teacher, but you can even draw or write anything you want. And ta-da! Your greeting card is ready. Enjoy! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, a comment and subscribe to my channel. Make the red button grey and share this video to your friends who want to make a quick greeting card. Till then, it's me. Bye. Thanks for watching.